Moringa oleifera or the moringa plant is also called the drumstick tree, the miracle tree, the ben oil or the horseradish tree. It's hugely popular because of its medicinal properties and health benefits. Apart from being antifungal, antiviral, antidepressant and anti-inflammatory, it has a lot of vitamin and minerals and absolutely no harmful cholesterol. Within its range of health benefit, it's believed to reduce blood pressure, asthma, diabetes, fight against diseases, mental disorder, weight gain, and even fight against cancer. In this two-part video, I will show you how to get a moringa plant from the seed and tips to get a better moringa tree growth. So I have these moringa seeds which I want to use to grow moringa plants out of it. The first step is to remove these flanges or the wings, the white things, so that it will be helpful for the seeds to germinate faster. So the wings are removed from the seeds. Now I have put the seeds in the water and will soak them for a night. So after a day of soaking, the seeds are like this. I will bring them out of the water. So now that they have soaked, they have become a bit soft. So what you do, you take the seeds and slightly press it until it cracks a little bit. So you see, because of that there is a little opening, and that will help in the germination of the seed. So now the seeds are ready. So I will do an experimentation now where I will put half of the seeds in the soil and the other half I will put it and try to germinate it through the paper towel method. So let's do that. So I have prepared these 3 small pots to sow the 1/2 or 3 of the seeds that I have prepared directly in the soil. So these mix I have prepared through my compost which I am generating by myself in the garden. Plus there are few peat moss and there is a little bit of potting soil too. So I have put the seeds in the soil and have watered them well. Now I will keep it outside where the temperature is good. The other half I'm going to put it in the paper towel and then water them and then fold it over and moist it and then put it inside the zip bag. So I put it inside the zip bag. Now I will keep this zip bag inside my oven under my stove and then put the oven light on so that it will get the heat and the temperature that it needs. So this is 2 days after I started putting half of the seeds for paper towel and half of the seeds directly in the soil for germination, and you can see the 4 seeds that I have put in paper towel. In 2 days they have started germinating. So that proves that if the moringa seeds will get good temperature and good moisture, they will easily germinate within 2 days. At the same time, the moringa seeds that are directly put into the soil have not shown any growth until now, but I will wait for few days and see how the situation changes. So since these seeds are already germinated through the paper towel method, I will take these 4 seeds and put it in the soil and watch their development and compare it with the seeds that were directly put in the soil. The germinated seeds in the soil, and you can see 3 of them is already grown into healthy plants, and these 3 were the one which were put directly in the soil, and you can see just one of them has grown, but you can see that the germinated seeds that became these plants small plants. They were more healthy and have better growth than these that put directly in the soil. So we can say that these using the paper towel method to grow the moringa seeds into germinated seeds and then putting it into soil is better than putting directly into the soil. So in this video I told you about how to grow moringa seeds to healthy small plants. In the next video I will show you how to take care of the grown moringa plants for better harvest and better growth. So for part 2 of my video, subscribe my channel and also put your comments and questions regarding moringa plants so that we can discuss them. Thank you for watching my video.